What can also happen, I'm saying you is, let's see, let me create another notepad. यहाँ पे I don't want to session one. Insert session one or data extension. So let's say D data extension one. Data spelling EXTEN is extend data extension one. So I have subscriber key. इसको साथ में रख देते हैं to make it interesting. Then I have email address one and email address two. Now, see, I don't know. I don't want to trouble you, but I am very interested in all these things only. So, journey one. I have a journey one, and in the setting, default in the settings, what I'm doing is default email address. What I'm doing here is I'm selecting entry source. And from this journey entry source, I'm selecting email address one to whom I want to send. Email address one. I have journey two. I like this one. So in journey two, in the settings, I make this email address two. And both this journey are in running state. Let's have this interesting one. Now, let me ask you people this question. Now, in all subscriber, initially, let's take an example of subscriber key and email address. So this is 003. Why I'm saying 003? To make you familiar with contact object. When you use contact object from Sales Cloud, it will always start with 003. And email address. Okay, I don't know, people sigh out. Okay, so I'll say sasi@gmail.com. Now in this data extension, how it is 003. I always say I'll complete in 1 hour, but chala ja raha hai. Okay, I'll try to stop somewhere if I'm will continue the session, but let's complete this b2.cc. Okay. Now, initially in my all subscriber, this is what it was. So subscriber key is 003 blah 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 1234, and it was sasi@gmail.com. Now I have two journey running, journey one and journey two. And here I'm saying the entry source that I want to send is by email address one, that is sasi@gmail.com. And from journey two, I have said email address two. What happens to the email address in all subscriber? Batao, kaun answer dega?
I think the second one will get overridden by the next one. The second one, maybe let's say journey one started first and journey two started next. So journey one will get the email, means will send the email to shashi@gmail.com. But when journey two starts, the same subscriber key will get override by the b2.shashi@gmail.com. That's what my assumption.
That's exactly true. So in journey one, okay, let's say I'll take this journey. Yeah, in this is say journey one. Okay, so session two. Let's convert this to journey two. Yeah, so we can visualize it. Okay, so welcome email is sent with b2.sasi@gmail.com. So this will be updated to b2.sasi. Okay, now this is done. Now it's waiting for 1 day. At the same time, in journey one, product information is sent. Okay, then again it will be updated back to Sasi. This keep on updating. Whichever email it is being received, this email address will keep on changing, and this will also change in your data views and everywhere. So this will become one of the issue. Okay, जानबूझ के complex बना दिया, but it's better if when you're cracking interview, if you give an answer, there's no way to deny for you. Okay. Was this interesting or not? You people, I don't know. Either you people are sleeping or what you're doing, I don't know.
We are not
Chalo,
sleeping,
anyway.
Sasi.
The Lakshmi wants to ask something after that.
Okay. So Say wants to speak. I'm not seeing किसको क्या handshake किया या somebody is raising hand. I'm in this window. Okay, you people have to speak for yourself.
Actually, Dinesh is trying to join the session. Please allow him.
Going
Shashi,
to.
once, Shashi,
Hmm.
hello. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
actually,
Go on.
once I have made this a structure like this. I was running one journey for an email address, and then I had this second email address also. So it was like for the same customer, the email address, I have changed the email address, but then also it was delivering to the first email address only. Because, and then when I checked in the all subscriber, I found that email address was not updated. So,
So you have to go. This is what we are discussing, right? Who is
mhm.
this? Ankita?
Yes, yes, Shashi.
Yeah. So basically, maybe you first go and check your journey setting. What is your journey
Okay,
setting? How they have. So I think you are saying it is not updating. Then this one they have ticked it. Maybe they are using from
okay,
contacts.
okay, okay. Yeah. Maybe I will
Okay.
check
So
this. Yeah.
yeah, this is the one what we are discussing. That's why I'm saying this one
Mhm.
is more important than going somewhere else. Hmm. So
Okay, yeah.
check. I think for your this is the problem. Hmm. If you're updating, either you use this what I was saying. You have this import activity in automation and update the all subscriber. Hmm.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
or if you have to define based on the entry source, then you have to select the entry source. Hmm. I generally prefer using contact. That's my preference. Hmm. If it is certain use case is there, then only I am going to use the entry source. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now, now going back. Okay, I'll try to wrap this in 50. I know I don't want to bore you all. Hmm. Then we can go to okay. So the first entry source that I'm sending is a data extension. When I select a data extension, so I can select a data extension. Hmm. Here I select session one. Hmm. Yeah, here there is an option to filter. Like from session one also, you can filter this one. But I'm totally against this particular filter. Okay, because it slow downs the whole process of data. This particular क्या कहते हैं? Is better you run the query and filter and add it to the data extension rather than directly doing this. So, but anyway, you have an option to filter and you can go here and select the criteria for whom you want to insert into a data extension. I'm not going there. I don't like it. Okay. Now, once you do this, you have an option how to schedule an automation. Hmm. Either it can be run once. So for a journey, like you have say for this journey before going there, right? So for this journey, I have this journey setting that will complete it within 9 days. Hmm. If I modify, let's say, if I modify, so this last one is by default. You can't delete this before exit. Okay, this one. So I basically prefer modifying this 1 day to 5 minutes, or it will go to minutes. Okay, so I'll say 1 minute or 5 minutes. I basically prefer keeping it 5 minutes. This is by default, and I can't delete this. So if you want to exit that person after this product feedback, always by default it comes as 1 day, modify it to minutes. That's my simple ask to you. Okay. Why I'm saying 5 minutes, I'll let you know later. Hmm. So this one. And going back here, so here it is like 8. See, now the date, the time has been changed. 8 day 5 minutes. Hmm. So the total journey setting is here. Okay. So you have an option of run once. So it will only run once. If you want to do a recurring, then you can schedule the interval how you want to schedule the interval. Okay. So I can schedule the schedule. Then I can say start from this date. Or you can say start on this day, right? So you can schedule your time also when it is going to start. Hmm. And how the recurring might happen, whether you want to schedule it on a particular weekday, okay, or you want to schedule weekly, monthly, yearly, or hourly. It is up to you. Hmm. And you have another option also, that is the contact evaluation. I'll go to that contact evaluation from automation. Okay. And the last one is contact, this one automation. Okay. Most of people, when you try this, will you will see it is disabled. Okay. Why it is disabled is you need to have some automation. I created this automation to show. Hmm. I created a session one automation, and what happens is I created a query. Here I was with having an issue with the primary key. It should always be update, not send over. Oh, I forget Sumit. I'll come to that, Sumit. I'll complete that. Huh. So here you see what I did was my target. This target data extension was session one. Okay. If I have automation where I have a query and I have this target data extension session one, then this automation, this particular one will be active for you. Hmm. Then I can select an automation, okay, and I can schedule the automation. Then I'll see which one. So I have a session one automation that was built here. So I can select this automation and then save this. Then here, what I can do is I have a contact filter. I can say only evaluate the new contacts, not everything. You have two options, Sumit. Be very careful here. Okay, evaluate all the contacts and try to. Now if you do, you see simply saying it will result in your slower processing. Hmm. So better for efficiency, either you say evaluate only new contacts and add only those records. Like you say this automation, what it means is you have already scheduled this automation. Hmm. And it is already activated. Okay, so it is you already have the data in the data extension, so those are old records. So for that, if you want to add all those old record as well, then you say all records in that particular data extension. Hmm. But this is the best option. We're saying only new records after the journey activation. So once the journey is activated and the automation runs, okay, and all the new record that is added to a data extension, those will only be injected into the data extension. So my personal favorite is this way to basically schedule an automation journey. Okay, so once you activate this here in the journey, what you'll see is you'll see another attribute also getting added here.